I'm Hector Espinal, global artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm super excited to share this stage with my gorgeous model, CARAT. I'm gonna show you how to get a spin off on the smoky eye using our Diamond Balm and Diamond Milk. I have already prepped with Pro Filter foundation in the shade 320. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a beautiful brown smoky eye and then add a little bit of pop. Step one, I'm gonna use my amplified eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna go directly into the lids. Using my taper blending brush, I'm gonna set this eyeshadow primer with my Invisimatte because I really wanna ensure that everything is nice and smooth underneath my shadow. Dipping into CUMIN Get It, I'm gonna start on the crease, working my way up into the brow, and create the shape that ideally I wanna end with. And then slowly blending outward, creating a liner effect. What I love about creating the shape, it really enhances all eye shapes. Using my all over eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna take the tip of the brush and smoke all the lower lash line. What I'm doing here is really dropping all the way to the crease of the natural eye to create a sultry effect. What I love about this brush, it has a beautiful shape that really allows you to have more flexibility, especially with blending. Slowly gonna go ahead and fill in the lids. Fun fact about this shade, CUMIN Get It, is actually one of Rihanna's favorites of the palette. She loves it as a transitional color, sometimes as an all over, and super beautiful to blend any harsh edges as well. Now I wanna spice things up a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip my all over eyeshadow brush into SHISHA Smoke. It looks beautiful in all skin tones. I'm gonna go ahead and outline the outer corner of the eye, root of the lash, and just very tight on the lower lash line. With these shadows, what I love is how easily they layer one on top of the other. So now that I have completed this beautiful shape, I want to spice things up even a little more. Why not do it with our CLF limited edition Kilowatt? So I'm going to use a small taper brush dipped in water. I'm going to create a liner in the crease to really make it pop. Taking the same brush, I'm going to enhance the tear duct. So here, to ensure my symmetry, I'm gonna take a nice deep breath. I promise I won't faint. So what I have created here is more of a liner story when it comes to how to spice up your smoky eye. I feel like oftentimes we wear the same traditional brown smoky eyes, and it's time to just spice it up. So why not do a little liner across the crease, enhance the tear duct, and what better way product to use than CLF? I feel like it's such a beautiful shade. It looks great in all skin tones, and it creates a fun way to carry and wear your smoky eyes. Now I want to really go ahead and just finish my look with one of my favorite go-tos. This is Diamond Balm. And how many carats?
I love diamonds. Girl's
best friend. You can use it on your cheeks, your eyes, your lips, anywhere you want. So I'm just gonna start enhancing these cheekbones. This is such a beautiful finish. Sort of makes the skin look very youthful. Don't forget your ear. And what I love about it is also the feel. Can you feel this?
Oh, it's so soft.
So it should look and feel like a balm.
Yeah, it's like a lotion.
Yeah, which I love about it. So if you see my hand, how it has like a wet effect to it.
Love that.
Obsessed. Just create a very beautiful wet effect to your lip. So a little bit on the cupid's bow. Using my KABUKI brush, I'm actually gonna go ahead and bathe you in carats. It makes the skin look wet, nice and even, doesn't look blotchy.
You're pampering me, Hector.
Darling, time is a girl's best friend. I'm gonna finish my look with Diamond Milk. This beautiful, beautiful shade is my go-to. Many reasons. One, it's just gorgeous. It's great on all skin tones. Same original formula. So it has shea butter, so it hydrates your lips.
And it smells so good.
I know, I'm obsessed.
It's like fruity.
I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful look that I have created on my friend CARAT. If you like the look and want to recreate it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Fenty Beauty.